If you've got a smell in your house, your car, or anywhere, and you've tried everything to get rid of it and nothing works, you're gonna wanna see this. And there's something about the way this works that's actually different from every other spray I've tried. And I'll show you that in a minute. So let's go over the Zero Odor Pro. I'm gonna cover the key features, show you how it actually works, and talk about who this is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. So the Zero Odor Pro is a commercial strength odor eliminator spray. It's made here in the USA, and this is the spray bottle version. Okay, so let's just have a look at the bottle here. Nice label. Look on the back here on the description, and we can see the instructions. So you wanna spray it 6 to 8 times in the air or any hard or soft surface. And you do not wanna apply it directly on people or pets. And the top is a normal spray bottle where you can just twist, set it to stop right there, and then you can set it to spray. Okay, so let's talk about some of the features. So here's what makes this different from a typical air freshener. Most sprays just cover up a bad smell with a stronger smell, and this one actually bonds to the odor molecules and permanently neutralizes them. So the smell doesn't come back, it's just gone. And what's really nice about this is you're not trading one smell for another. Once it dries, there's no fragrance left behind at all. It's just clean air. And here's something I thought was really interesting. If you spray this near an air quality monitor, it doesn't even register. And one thing that's actually clever about this is it has what they call a tracer scent. So when you spray it, there's a very light, clean scent that lets you know where you've already sprayed. And then that scent fades on its own, leaving behind absolutely nothing. So some people describe this as a light bleach smell. It's not strong and it goes away pretty quickly, but just keep that in mind if you're sensitive to, that kind of thing. And what I really like about this is the versatility. So you can spray it in the air to deal with room odors. You can spray it directly on surfaces, hardwood, tile, countertops, and you can spray it on fabrics, couches, mattresses, rugs, bedding, car seats, basically anything soft that's holding onto a smell. And for air, as you saw, they recommend 6 to 8 sprays in the room on the mist setting. So for surfaces and fabrics, you can, spray more directly. Either way, it evaporates and doesn't leave a residue on most materials. Just be careful around glass and mirrors. If you spray too close, it can leave a film. Spray from 4 to 5 feet away and you're fine. Okay, so let's go over a demo of me spraying this around the house where there's some smells. Okay, so I have my litter box here and it just smells a little bit like cat urine. Let's go ahead and spray it. Give a couple sprays. All right, and then I can start to smell that really mild bleach smell. Again, it's not really strong. It's not overpowering. Let me go ahead and wipe this up. Okay, and it's been about a minute and I really don't smell the urine anymore. And I really don't smell much of the bleach either. If I get a little bit closer, of course I can smell it a little bit, but it's really starting to fade away. So this absolutely does work well. Okay, so what I like about this, it just works. I'm not just saying that. This stuff handles odors that most products can't even touch. We're talking mildew that's been sitting in a car for months, pet urine that's soaked into furniture, even really extreme stuff or even smoke that's been building up for years. It handles all of that. That doesn't mean every single thing that you spray this on is going to just completely eliminate the smell, but it does work on a lot of smells. I also love that it doesn't have a scent behind. Once it does its job, you just get clean air, no fake floral smell, no ocean breeze, just neutral. One thing that could be improved, it's not always a one spray fix for really deep embedded odors. You're probably looking at 2 to 3 treatments. Just keep that in mind. The first spray might not do everything, but by the second or third time, the smell, is most likely gonna be gone. So who should get this? This is for pet owners dealing with litter box area smells, dog odor on the couch or urine, accidents on the rugs. You spray it, the smell is gone, and there's no perfume cover-up, just clean. Also good for Airbnb hosts and rental property managers, turning over units between guests, quick spray on the pillows, blankets, and fabrics, and everything smells fresh and neutral. It's also good for anyone dealing with extreme odors, cigarette smoke that's been building up for years, musty basements, mildew in vehicles, or honestly, even something like a dead animal smell. This is one of the few products that can actually handle that level of odor. Again, this does work really well, but it's not gonna work on everything. It's also good for people who just want their space to smell like nothing. Not lavender, not fresh linen, just clean air. That's exactly what this does. Now, if you're looking for something that has, a pleasant fragrance in the air, this isn't that. This is just purely an eliminator. So if you want your room to smell like vanilla, you need, you go for something else. So in my opinion, the Zero Odor Pro is one of the products that actually does what it says. It's not a cover-up, it's not a masker, it genuinely eliminates odors at the molecular level. It works on basically everything, and it is just great to have around the house. So if you're dealing with stubborn odors that won't go away, this is definitely worth checking out.